everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming my October monthly in my Erin Condren life planner, and we're going to be using this kit from my shop. It is our October monthly kit called Pastel Halloween, and it is a very fun take on Halloween. I'm not a usual spooky Halloween person, so I wanted to use this very cutesy pumpkin spiderweb type kit. I really like it. So what I'm doing first is I'm laying down the boxes that are not in the month just to cover them up, as well as the banners on the top that have the days of the week in there. I just whited out the flag in the very top corner. It was orange and it did match this kit very well, but I just didn't want it showing through, so I just whited it out. And now I'm just putting on the left-hand side. It's always trickier when they don't have boxes underneath, but on the right-hand side, you can line it up with the bottom of that orange banner that was on the sidebar and just line it up there. And I just put on my decorative sidebar. I don't put checklists or anything in my monthly planner. I just don't use them. So I just usually use the decorative planner that comes with our ultimate kits. So moving on to the holidays next, I put down Halloween and Thanksgiving, and looking back, I should have whited out those holidays underneath because you can see them through the pastel colored stickers, but that's okay. Live and learn, I guess. So now I'm going to go on to the day-to-day. I'm going to do something a little different than I've done the last couple monthly spreads. I used to put the washi tape as I was going, but I thought it'd be better if I just put all the stickers down and then go in and fill the spaces with washi at the very end. Then I don't have to take some stuff up all the time and just keep rearranging. So that's what I did today. So starting on the first, my husband had a dentist appointment, so I marked that down with a dentist appointment sticker from my shop. On the second, he had a haircut, so I took a skinny label from the kit as well as a haircut icon to mark that. On the third, my friends came over, and me and my friend Ashley, we did puzzles, and we watched the movie Beauty and the Beast. It was so fun. We were actually doing a Beauty and the Beast puzzle at the time that we were watching the movie, so it was super fun to do it at the same time. So the puzzle icon sticker is from my shop, and the movie marquee is as well. For the fourth, I used a flag and I layered that with a doctor icon from the kit to mark that I had an eye appointment that morning. And then on the fifth, me and my husband ended up watching the movie Tag, so I took another movie marquee from my shop to mark that. I was really struggling with the colors there. I wanted that green to work, but the blue and the green are not the right colors for this kit, and I thought the pink was a little too out there, so I ended up just using the gray. For the sixth, I had a gathering on my side of the family that day, so I took a label from the kit and I layered that with a house icon to mark my gathering for Thanksgiving. And then on the 7th, we had another gathering that day, but on my husband's side, and so I used another label from the kit and another house icon. Now, because the label was gray for this on the Sunday, I didn't want them to be the same, so I just switched the Saturday and Sunday icons there so they weren't the same color. On Thanksgiving Day, I actually ended up spending most of the day with my sister, so I have these super cute best friend sticker from Mania, and they are so cute, and I thought the colors matched the kit very good, especially with the pink hair and the teal colored hair of the girls. I thought it was so adorable. On the 9th, I didn't really have a big highlight, so I just put a full box in. On the 10th, I did some more puzzling with my friend Ashley, so I took another puzzle icon from my shop. On the 11th was not another crazy day, so I put another full box down. On the 12th, I ended up going to Scattered Seeds with first I put down a happy birthday sticker because my sister-in-law's birthday was on that day. And then I took a car icon from my shop to mark that me and my mom went to Scattered Seeds, which was like a big craft sale in the city close to us. On the 13th, I ended up playing games with my friends that evening, so I took a game night sticker from my shop. Moving on to the Sunday, I went to my husband's work barbecue, so I took a label from the shop, or sorry, from the kit, and I layered that with a meal icon to mark that we went there for his work barbecue. On the Monday the 15th, I ended up getting my nails done, so I took a paint nail sticker from my shop and I put that down, and then I just wrote the time of my appointment in. On the the Tuesday, me and my sister baked Halloween cookies with my kids. It was so fun. It was like one of my favorite things I did all month. And so I took a label from the kit and I layered that with a little Kaelis Paperie grill with like from the baking sheet. I tried to put some of the Halloween stickers from Busy Lizzie Plans down with it, but I just didn't match very well, and so I ended up using some other ones later on. On the 17th, the Wednesday, was another games night, and on the 18th, I put a label down and I put a little planner from Busy Lizzie Plans to mark that I had planner club that day. I think these little planners are so cute, and there's so many fun things on this sheet that you can use to mark stuff for your planner. On the Friday, my son had speech that day, so I took a speech therapy sticker from my shop. This purple is like perfect with this kit. I loved using it. I wish I would have used more orange in the end, but when you look at the spread when it's all done, I didn't have orange washi, so it is a lot more purple and a lot more of the mint color. On the 20th, I wanted to mark that I did a lot of planning, like back planning and stuff, so I took a flag from the kit and then a little planner clip from Busy Lizzie Plans and to mark that. On the 21st, me and my husband watched Ready Player One, so I used a movie marquee to mark that. On the 22nd, I used a flag and a meal icon to mark that I made pizzas in the evening. And we do this quite a bit where we make a bunch of pizzas one whole night and then we put them in the freezer and then we have quick meals for a while. On the Tuesday was my sister-in-law's birthday dinner, so I had this really cute guy holding balloons from Miso Co to mark that we went for her dinner. On the 24th, I had a play date with my friend at our indoor park, so I took a playground icon, from my shop and just to mark that we went on a play date. That day I also voted, so I took a flag from the kit and I layered that with an asterisk icon to mark voting. Moving on to the Thursday, I went for coffee with my friend Janelle, so I took a label from the kit and then a coffee icon from my shop to mark that we went for coffee. The 26th, there wasn't any big highlights, so I just filled that in with a full box. On the 27th, me and my sister went to my parents' house and used their hot tub, so I took a little guy from Otter Prints Co to mark that we had hot tub time. For the Sunday, I had another games night, so I put another games night sticker from my shop. On the 29th, we carved pumpkins, me, my husband, and my kids. I usually don't carve the pumpkins. My husband does all that stuff, and my kids, they're kind of young for carving pumpkins. They get really bored, so we end up just painting pumpkins with them. So the little pumpkin sticker is from Busy Lizzie Plans, and then I just took a Bill Do sticker from the kit. Then I took these balloons from my shop to mark that my kids had their Halloween class party on the Tuesday. And then on the Wednesday was Halloween, so I took some more of these guys from Busy Lizzie Plans. She had like a little Halloween sampler to mark that we went trick-or-treating. So this is my spread, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now I'm going to go in and put in all of the washi tape as well as the date dots. I'm going to speed this up for you guys really fast, and I'm going to put some music on in a second, and I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!